So this is my mate Peter's bike. He's just purchased it. It's a 91 model. He lives not far from me, so he's literally just taken this thing down. Had a little bit of a look over it with a mechanic just to make sure it's all good. He picked it up from WA, Western Australia. Now Western Australia is pretty much, you couldn't get any further away from us in the same country. Like, it's literally on the other side. I'll show you on a map. That's how far this thing has travelled, so a fair distance. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just about to head over to my friend's place. I'm going to take some tools over and I'll bring you guys with me. Let's go and check it out. Alrighty, so we just rocked up to my friend's place. There is his K100 and there he is. Say hi, Peter.
Hi, Peter.
Alrighty, so this bike, pretty much stock, it came with panniers. He ended up taking them off. He's done that part so far. What we're going to do tonight, we're basically going to strip it of the rear end. I think that's what we have planned. Have we planned that? Maybe?
Yeah.
I think that's what we're going to do. And just take the back end off and just get down to the bare frame. So he's never done anything like this before. This is his first project of this sort of caliber. So it's going to be interesting and fun for him. I will try and share as much as I can of the process of him doing it. I don't think we're going to do much more than that. Maybe we may get into a few of the front fairings and stuff, but I'm not sure. Originally he was going to keep the forks, but now I'm pretty sure he's doing a full front end conversion on this bike. So I'll try and keep you updated on this build. I think it's pretty cool. So I have had a lot of comments about me doing a BMW. People have asked me if I'm going to do one. So this is basically me doing one without doing one. So let's get into it. So we just had a hell of a time trying to get this little guy out. We did the old, a bit of TIG wire trick to try and get the stereo out, but that just didn't cut it. So ended up drilling out the rivets and whammo. Okay, so that's pretty much what we ended up with. We're going to call it a night. It's midnight now. The back end, yeah dude, it's midnight. So we only initially decided we were going to do the back end, but it came off so easy. We decided to work on the front, and that's where we're at. So next time we get some more done on this bike, or should I say next time Pete gets more done on this bike, I'll bring something more to you to check out where he's at.